Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. In this video, I am going to discuss about how we can deploy a simple Python program in Flask. See, when we talk about the life cycle of a machine learning project, the different steps involved in the life cycle of a machine learning project are: the first one, gathering the data; second one, cleaning data; third one, feature engineering. We have videos related to feature engineering. A separate playlist is there, you can watch it. Fourth one, defining the model. Fifth one, training, testing the model and doing the prediction. The sixth one, deployment. This is the complete life cycle. These are all the steps involved in the life cycle of a machine learning project. See, deployment, when we talk about deployment, the deployment can be in the Amazon cloud, or you can, the tools we usually use for, deployment is the tool, call it as Flask. This is the tool it's an open source tool. So in this video, I am going to talk about Flask. So let's start on Flask. See, Flask is a micro web framework written in Python. It has no database, no abstraction layer, or no form validation, like if you see some other servers like Tomcat, WebLogic, WebSphere. When you consider such enterprise servers, there is no such database or abstraction layer or form validation in Flask. It is developed by Armin. I don't know the exact pronunciation of that scientist. It is Armin Ronacher. Sorry for that. This is the name, Armin Ronacher. So this is the person who developed Flask. So you can install, if you have Python in your system, you can install Flask. It's an open source software. You can use a pip install. Flask will work for you, but I have installed Anaconda. I have installed Flask on top of Anaconda. So I have done conda install Flask. You can try Anaconda as well. So on top of that, you can install TensorFlow, Keras, everything you can install on top of Anaconda. So you can use conda install Flask. Then the Flask will be installed. So this is the steps you can follow. See, I will show you a simple page where you can see all these installations and all these process. You can see here, this is the web page actually I am following here. So from this web page, you have to run in the if you are doing it in Anaconda prompt, what you can do is you can run this command in Anaconda: conda create in Flask app. Then you have this conda activate Flask app. These commands, when you run it, the environment for this will be created. After that, you can install the dependencies by using this command conda install Python 3.6. that will install all the dependencies in the Anaconda. Then after that, you can this is the simplest, a simple hello world Python program. See, you can save it and you can run it. So this is the simplest program. You can use it here. It is just 1 second, sorry for that. This is the program. This is a simple program. You can use it here, and this program will help you to run. So I will go to my Jupyter notebook here. So this is my Jupyter notebook. If you want to see the Anaconda prompt. This is the Anaconda prompt I have. So here you can install, you can run these commands. Actually I have shown you, right, these commands you can run it in the Anaconda. I have already done it. So those commands, conda create n flask app, conda activate flask app, conda install Python, that will create an environment for the this Flask app server. I have done it previously. Now I am going to run this simple Python program here. I'm just copying it here, so you can run it in the Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook. I just copy it here. So I have copied it here. It's known as app.py. It's a very simple code. It's it is app is equal to flask underscore name underscore, then you have the definition. You have a function hello world. It's returning hello world. So we are just printing hello world. So I'm going to run it. So I have just run it. So I got the output. So this is the link I am getting. This is the this is the, I can open this link in the browser. When I open it, I will get a hello world program. So this is a very simple process. If you have Anaconda in your system, you can do it very easily. You can do a conda install Flask. The Flask will be installed. But the same procedure you can do it for even deploying complex applications. Any machine learning algorithm can be deployed by using this Flask. So that's all about the deployment using it's a very simple Python program. We have done it. That's all about the deployment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.